Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Kyodi with us this song to demarco called Nyamarco. War start again. Pass with it all up. Anything, we don't prepare for war. Why? Hold on. Wait. Cover art is a must. We see one fish. Let me describe what I see. I don't know what I see, but let me still know what I see. We see one fish. Yes, we see one fish with a black beard around the mouth. Fish have beard, bumper. Alright. We see one fish, black beard around the mouth, dark glasses, full up a bullet wound. He's wounded. He's wounded. Wounded or dead? Dead. Alright, cool. We see big Nyamarco on it. And guess what we see two fin. And we see one suit. So, they must say, yo, somebody say the fish for the demarco, yeah, man. Somebody say the fish for the demarco, yeah, man. I'm not talking. No, I'm not talking. So let's go another one here. Let's go.
Pussy, come here. Run some lap on the field, no. Boy, you want to run dancer. Run your pussy.
Pussy, come here. No. What I say? Come here. Run some lap on the field. No. Boy, you want to run dance, so I go run on that. Up, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Move from there.
Run your profile and get a intel. You no love your life like your fucking tell. On your birthday, Terry fuck by your bed. You ask for your strap, just put on it on your head.
You no love your life, I'll lie your fucking tell. I love my life. My life. Nobody know what tomorrow might bring, but the future they always away. I mean, I live my life today. That's how the G account rock. So the man says, yo, you don't love your life, I lie your tell. For your birthday, Terry and fuck Terry and make up yourself. Terry and them drag you, them dash you, them kick you, them punch you, them do everything to you. But you still lay mama. Big up yourself.
On your birthday, Terry fuck by your bed. You ask for your strap, just put on it on your head. And you never yet free for shoot a man. Big for nothing we can fuck. Yo, them good at you to run.
Yes! We are here. demarco, them a disrespect you now, demarco. Marco, them a dis your bum buckler now. Yeah, Marco, them a dis you now. Them a dis you now. Yeah. Them a dis you now, Marco. Them a dis you now.
You fucking tell. On your birthday, Terry fuck by your bed. You ask for your strap, just put on it on your head. And you never yet free for shoot a man. Big for nothing we can fuck. Yo, them good at you to run.
Never yet shoot a man. Big for nothing. Green giant. Big for nothing. Gentle giant. You see them going wrong. Them grow that you tell wrong. Him not grow tough, him grow soft like sponge. Him not grow rough. No.
Turn it on your head, and you never yet free for shoot a man. Big for nothing we can fuck. Yo, them good at you to run. Fish could you come from a valley? I must have tuna can. Chip, amiga, kibeli, bigger, kwana, junior gang.
Fish could come from Marvel. You know, so some can the G forward from. Them I say, yo, fish could come from Marvel. Must a tuna can. Clip on him belly long like a junior gang. When I say lax.
Fish could you come from a valley? I must a tuna can. Chip, amiga, kibeli, bigger, kwana, junior gang. Hit, pull him up a shot, now he's on.
Oh. Full up a. So, it big like one a junior gang hit. One a junior gang hit song. Junior gang has some massive.
I must a tuna can. Chip, amiga, kibeli, bigger, kwana, junior gang. Hit, pull him up a shot, now he's on. Grenade a drop.
Pull him up a shot now. So him get one heap a shot. No shot. Guess what? Pull up in there. In a grenade there. Yes, let's finish him off.
Amiga, kibeli, bigger, kwana, junior gang. Hit, pull him up a shot, now he's on. Grenade a drop. He's longer than a frack. Look how it hang off from my back. Boy, afraid of me. Imagine if I'm and a rocket. Turn make you run there from your place. Soon as them find out you a sprat. Gang, hit, pull him up a shot, now he's on. Grenade a drop. He's longer than a frack. Look how it hang off from my back. Boy, afraid of me. Imagine if I'm and a rocket. Turn make.
Boy, you're afraid of me. Imagine if I'm melon a racket. Explain that red pill for me. That one over my head. I'm tired, man.
He's longer than a frack. Look how it hang off from my back. Boy, afraid of me. Imagine if I'm melon a rocket. Turn make you run there from your place. Soon as them find out you a sprat. Puss.
So.
See, me say you're scared. Is a girl a summer can tell me you're weird.
It's weird. That nigga Marco is weird. He's weird. That's the way Kyodi said the girl tell him a summer can. Say you're weird, Marco. Them say you're weird. Yeah, them say you're weird.
Me and you know say you're scared. Is a girl a summer can tell me you're weird. You die your part pussy with your beard. Hot shot in.
The Marco, them say you die the girl pussy with your beard. Them say you die your beard because you're old and you have grey hair in your beard, but you want to look young, so you use shoe polish or dye it out. Same thing you do with your ear, and when you go down feeding them the girl pum pum, you dye up her ear with the... That's what them say, the Marco.
Your place soon as them find out you a sprat. Pussy. Me and you know say you're scared. Is a girl a summer can tell me you're weird. You die your part pussy with your beard. Hot shot in your mouth and your sexual affairs.
Fat shot in your mouth and fuck up a sex life. That's what this G say. Fat shot in your mouth and fuck up a sex life. No!
You die your part pussy with your beard. Hot shot in your mouth and your sexual affairs. Start and my papa my gun. Every man a back off a run.
Everybody.
Nyamarco chop all a gum. Whole place shake is a disaster come.
Well, him say when him pull up and pop off him gun, every man a run. Nyamarco drop a gun. Cause him a say, Nyamarco, unbalance. Him say DeMarco unbalance. Him say DeMarco body shape make him can't.
Everybody.
Nyamarco chop all a gum. Whole place shake is a disaster come. Boy head a bum and a bum. So me take up back football you know. Me no beat boy if me want a jump. Me send for the Tams to send them under gun.
Take up back football you know. Leather. Him no beat boy.
Me no beat boy if me want a jump. Me send for the Tams to send them under gun. Try stay home and lift up weights. No try war murderer with your piss up face.
Man said try stay home and exercise. Try stay home and work for your cardio. Try stay home and get fit. Try stay home and lift up weights. You can't wear that G. Cause your face piss up. Him say then use your face for chimney. Him say then use your face for piss pot. Should be all on the bed when then done. That's how G said.
Try stay home and lift up weights. No try war murderer with your piss up face. When it come to badness, I me illustrate. Me shoot bad man and kick up bait. Vicious state. Them
We shoot bad man and kick up bait. If you kill everybody, them just kill the threat them to me. Kill them and just kick up the bait. Yeah.
when it come to badness, I me illustrate. Me shoot bad man and kick up bait. Vicious state. Them Marco you know have no broom go lift up rake. You easy fi shut up like one of me dog plate.
The Marco you know have no broom, go lift up rake. You don't have no broom, you don't have no chopsticks, go lift up some rake, brother. Man say easy for mash up like one of them dub plate. You're easy for mash up like women nice, so me go on. You're easy.
The Marco you know have no broom go lift up rake. You easy fi shut up like one of me dog plate. All you do a chat shit, me get the duct tape. Boy fool like duck, wait till him touch lake. Be a crocodile, golfman, cut up snake. Favor girl where you breathe through your fuck up weight.
Favor girl where you breathe through your fuck up weight. At least you not say shit belly still.
Remember your foot lean, so you not must straight. Terry sit down and cream in your fuck face.
Get away. Move out of here. Get away. Get away. Move. Move. Move.
Be a crocodile, golfman, cut up snake. Favor girl where you breathe through your fuck up weight. Remember your foot lean, so you not must straight.
Remember say your foot lean. Remember say him have a problem with him knee if it shows. So remember say, remember say your foot lean, say you not must straight. Remember say Terry sit down and cream in your feet.
Terry sit down and cream in your fuck face. Batty man, next thing, see it say you find me airline. Interesting, coulda.
Wait! He might address something and why them started. He might address post you know. He might just Instagram post you know. Remember say the G did say Kyodi airline the way around this so start time ears. That's what the Marco say. Yeah, with
Wait, remember your foot lean, so you no must straight. Terry sit down and cream in your fuck face. Batty man, next thing, see it say you find me airline. Interesting, coulda never favor everybody as the next king. Alien.
We could have never favor everybody. Right now, me interesting. Right now, we could have never favor nobody else. So me have to be me have to end that.
See it say you find me airline. Interesting, coulda never favor everybody as the next king. Alien for real, lyrics are the wickedest thing. Wish palm song for turn back, big clown. See how it give me your and be my for spin around. Never know you still a sing.
Wish palm song for turn back, big clown. I give me Bima and house for spin around.
Song for turn back, big clown. See how it give me your and be my for spin around.
House and Bima for spin around.
Never know you still a sing, me swear think you did drown. So me know you is a fisher, or you still a swim round. Oh, why start up?
Me never know you still a sing. Me think you did John, because nobody not hear nothing from you. Remember say you a fish? Remember say you live out in the water, so me think you did John.
Me swear think you did drown.
And yes, fish can John. Yes, fish can John. Somebody come tell me about fish can John.
So me know you is a fisher, or you still a swim round. Oh, why start up? Me pop off my gun. Every man a back half a run. Be. Nyamarco chop all a gum. Whole place shake is a disaster come. Boy head a bum and a bum. So me take up back football you know. Me no beat boy.
Boy head a bum and a bum. So him take up a footballer now. So basically him a say him a kick the marker head off a ball.
Boy head a bum and a bum. So me take up back football you know. Me no beat boy if me want a jump. Me send for the Thompson, send them underground. Batty boy demarco. Run your profile for real pussy and no make up this and no. Just for no music this batty boy this a facts. And you know that. Big girl clown, big freak demarco. A reverse psychology I try use for internet a laugh off your face in a pussy. When you hear about your big stinking butt. Boy if you know so when I use reverse psychology pussy. I reverse in a boy yard and park up and go shot him in him face. Like you win him place, yeah. Remember say Terry give her the pussy when she 9 months pregnant. Burn up, me know that.
Okay. That just took a weird turn.
Remember say Terry give her the pussy when she 9 months pregnant. Burn up, me know that bunny you know, cause you nearly kill yourself for real you know.
What the hell did you just say?
Burn up, me know that bunny you know, cause you nearly kill yourself for real you know.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
Batty man.
Demarco, you have some things to answer. You have some things to tell me about. Demarco, you ain't kill yourself for sure? You ain't kill yourself for sure? Terry give her a pussy when she's 9 months pregnant? And you put gun on your head? Later.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.